Have you ever heard of that tropical island they say looks and feels like Jurassic Park? And on this island there's a track you take by foot through landscapes and terrains which make you feel like you're in other parts of the world, all on this one island. From tropical beaches, rocky shorelines and fresh creek crossings to deep luscious rainforests, Melaleuca swamps and vast open grasslands. They say this track is only tackled by the hard-hearted adventurous because when you're there, it's you, your supplies and that harsh trail you face on for those next 4 days. The Thorsborne Trail on Hinchinbrook Island is known as one of the top 10 heights in the world. You may have heard whispers of Hinchinbrook to be Australia's Jurassic Park because of its gloomy, mesmerising mountaintops embedded in untouched surrounding land. Found between Cardwell and Ingham in tropical North Queensland, this trek is perfect for the adventure thirsty, with a 32-kilometre trail through diverse, rugged terrain and only allowing a maximum of 40 people on the track at one time. If you appreciate all the hard work we put into sharing our adventures with you, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to support us in what we do. And now, let's roll in to our Hinchinbrook Island adventure. This was our first ever multi-day hike and we went in for a solid 4 days. Thanks to our good friends, we borrowed their hiking gear that had us prepped for the trip. We stocked up on essentials plus all our camera equipment to get our best footage to share with you. On the first day, we woke up early, ticked off our checklist, weighed our pats, said our goodbyes to Vasco and set off. We teed up with Brad and Leah from Hinchinbrook Island Cruises, who boated us over from Cardwell. We crept up the mangroves and got dropped off at the north part of the island. Brad pointed out our first pit stop, which was Neenah Peak, and ended his goodbyes with a cool fact.
Fossilized crabs and puppies, you can only find them on 3 beaches
to the end
in
of
the
this
world.
beach and that's it.
That is
pretty
so
cool,
Yeah.
And this, my friends, is when our Thorsborne journey begins. Now we reached a turn off to Neenah Peak and there's a spot back there where we all left our bags. Apparently at the top here is a butte view.
Oh, damn. Have a look at this. Woohoo! The rain's cleared away a bit, blue skies come out, man. But we're just cruising back down, gonna get our bags, rehydrate and have some lunch I think. Here we are, this is where we all left our bags. So during the daytime we can leave them here on the ground like this because the rats over here are nocturnal. They don't come out at night and search for your lunch and dinners. But come night time I'll show you what we do. We've got to hang them up on these metal racks. On the metal ones because the rats can't climb the metal ones. You gotta try to play it smart. Otherwise they'll just chomp holes in your bag and eat all your food and you wake up and living off the land. Back on the track now. Got the big bags on the back. Bloody hell, it's a mission. Not even a quarter of the way through today, let alone the next 4 days. Straight across all of those. It's pretty clean. There's the sign here. Gonna follow the track for a bit more and then we'll be out on the beachfront. Just at Neenah Bay, walking along the beachfront and then we're back into the bush. But man, it's beauty here, eh? Quite windy, but it's nice for hiking. And we're just on this big open beachfront here. No footprints. Oh, how good. Hey, leaving my mark. These bad boys, man. So far so good. It's only half the day in, but for the track these have been prime. Been able to take my shoes off, walk barefoot, get my feet wet, fly straight through the creek crossings. The challenge will be if it rains though, 'cause then on the rocks these are slippery. Oh, holy heck. Hey, what do you reckon? Man, this is like survival mode. Oh man, look at that. Camera ain't gonna do it justice. Bit of rock hopping. Where the ocean meets the land.
Are you right?
Here we go. Soldier. Oh heck. Carry on. Ooh, puffing now. Oh, if only. Hey, Woody Mouldy's back home, reckon. Money's on. Oh no, that's us camp for tonight, I reckon. No, it's just a hole in the rock. We're back in the bush now, back in the scrub. We went off track earlier, not for too long though, enough to bugger us though. But in the scrub there's a bit of shade. So we're just heading over to Ramsay Bay now, on the last stretch for today. We'll set up camp there and chill out. Final stretch, still a mission. Here we are, just popping out onto Little Ramsay. That last quarter was a mission, man. We had to dig deep for that. I think more just the weight of the bags were getting to us.
So this is how we hang our bags up for the night, so the little rats don't get into our food. This is our little camp set up. Got dinner out ready to go. Got a nice view. And this little thingy deters sandflies and mozzies, and I think it's actually working.
Here she is, the EcoFlow Pro, charging up all the batteries. Just refilled 2 litres of water here, and Beck's got a litre in her hand. It's clean as. Just went and refilled, so now heading back to camp and cook an early dinner, I reckon. Hopefully this water should last us till late tomorrow. So we're going to chill out here for a bit, recover, and then go to sleep, I think.
Have a good sleep and wake up early tomorrow for sunrise.
Well, got our dinners. What do you got?
Mine is Mexican chili.
And Turkish lamb. Just packeted. Put a bit of hot water in there and then she's ready to bang.
Thank you Brad and Leah from Hinchinbrook Island Cruises. They sorted us out with meals for the 3 days, breakfast, lunch and dinner. One less thing we had to sort out.
Yeah, and it's all a lot easier than actually bringing your own stuff in. So it's pretty convenient, this stuff. But we're just gonna eat this and then go tidy up camp and crash out early. There's a chance we might be asleep before the sun goes down. So, if you don't see us later on this afternoon, you'll know why. Early start tomorrow morning.
Good morning! It's day 2 of our Hinchinbrook hike and it's probably around 5:30. I woke up early to watch the sunrise. Oh, it's so peaceful down here. My body's feeling a bit tense, so I'm gonna enjoy this and do some stretching. Daly was still in bed before, so maybe he'll join me. He did wake up when I got out, so yeah, we want to head off early this morning, so I'm going to chill down here for a bit, head back to camp and pack our stuff and hit the track again.
All packed up, just left little Ramsay back on the track. Sunrise this morning was pretty epic. It was cool to wake up to, especially out here. Blue skies, beaming sun. I don't know if you can see it, but Mount Bowen up there is massive. It looks so good, man. This here is meant to be one of the creek crossings. Can't really tell much, but we've got it at a real low tide, so I think we're pretty lucky here. I've just seen a turtle.
And a dugong.
Gotta follow these bad boys.
We learned that we didn't need to lug around so much water. There's actually a lot of creeks on the way. We emptied a 2-litre bottle out just to make things lighter. But now we know for next time.
I suppose it all depends on what time of year you come and whatnot as well.
If it's been dry, then all the creeks will be dried up.
Finished on the beachfront, rock hopping and on the sand, and now we're back in the bush.
Just hiked up steep hill. Now come into this, so cool. Went from beach to like a little bit of rainforest and then into this scrub looking landscape. Whew.
Brad from Hinchinbrook Island Cruises, who dropped us off over here, he mentioned they will see a few landslides on the island from the rain they had a couple years ago. Tons of rain. That's a pretty big one. Even in the far mountain you can see another one. Probably can't see it on camera, but this is just one of multiple, I think. over there is where we got to go, in that far corner. So we're just short of halfway. And the sweat just keeps coming.
Look at this.
Just keeps coming. Let's go, grasshopper. Whew. So we got to go through North Zoe Creek, cross over that, and it's home to crocodiles. That will be fun. And then we got to go for a bit further to Fan Palm Swamp. Bit of change in scenery. We've gone from rock hopping on the waterfront to the beach front to climbing rocks, bush. Now we're in like mangrove territory.
Oh! Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's got a frog. Got a little goanna here. Oh. Having a feed. Hope it's not a toad. No, that's not a toad. He's happy, mate. See ya!
We're at North Zoe crossing, North Zoe Creek. Lucky she's not pumping full of water, but the water over there is clean as. Runs along there and out into here. She's smick. Can't see any crocodiles, so that's a good thing. Crocs, man. Hey, here she is. The start of the swamp. Oh, I can't grab that. She's spiky.
Which way to go? Oh, I gotta stop recording for this. This is actually pretty cool. It's like being in the Amazon jungle.
Sketchy, man. Trying to balance on these things with the bag and slippery underfoot.
Easy.
As you would have just seen, we just come out of the Fan Palm swamp. It wasn't that bad. It was like, I don't know, I think we got lucky because there wasn't much water. I could see on like a lot of rain, after a lot of rain it would be a mission. Like even there was some times there that was pretty challenging. From the stories we've been told, it wasn't too bad, which we're grateful for.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was just kind of short and sharp. It was fun though, eh?
That was fun.
We got that ticked off now. We're on a bit of a long straight now to the Blue Lagoon. We will top up with water. The Blue Lagoon. We're here. She's clear, man. She's clean.
Just walked up from that little spot we were back down there, and we thought that was Blue Lagoon. This is definitely Blue Lagoon. Daily!
Holy damn, she's a pearler. Yeah. Man, that water's too clear. Even on a drone from above, makes it look shallow, but it's really about, I don't know, be about chest deep on me. In the middle anyway. She's blue as. We're gonna pack up here and try and punch it back to camp. Back into it. Chug on, little grasshopper. Look, Sino, that's for you. Look, tree's pulling the fingers at you.
I'm caught here. Oh, I just got caught on. Wait a while. Oh no, ripped my pants. Lucky that wasn't my face.
This water don't look too flash. Bit stagnant. Top up here, you reckon? Follow the sun. Big's following another goanna.
Very elegant, isn't he? Hey, big fella. We right to pass? Look how easy he climbs up. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he's scratching himself.
Oh, here we are. North Zoe. This is a good feeling. Holy, no one's here. Woo-hoo-hoo. North Zoe must be up there. Oh, this is a good feeling. Just come out of the bush. We gotta head down into that corner, into the campers. But this is a good feeling, man. We come up from way over that ridge and then come down and around.
Join us in part 2 of our Hinchinbrook Island adventure as we continue on our 4-day journey, reaching the breathtaking view from the tops of the famous Zoe Falls, trekking through even more tough terrains and experiencing the amazing gifts of nature.